Well, hello YouTube. I'm Danny, I'm the Grassroots Maker, and I've been meaning to start a YouTube channel for a long time. So the push I needed was going to Makers Central, hosted by Nick Zametti over in Birmingham. Makers Central was amazing. There were so many great exhibitors, and it wasn't just tools and people trying to sell you stuff. It was also the makers in the community, the people who generate all this amazing work and inspire so many people, me included, into getting into making and putting yourself out there. And these guys are making a living off this. This is not what I'm intending. This is more of just to see whether this is more of a hobby. I can use it to express myself and show the world what I'm doing. I love making. It's in my DNA. I program, I 3D print, I woodwork, I do electronics, Arduino, all of those things I think I do for me. But I think one of the problems is I'm living in this world now where I'm either making it something for me, or I'm watching YouTube and seeing these amazing people do that, and I'm living vicariously through them. Now I want to go the other way, and I want to be part of the maker movement. I want to create, and I want to put my content out there. The aim would be, maybe I can go to Maker Central as an exhibitor next year and see how we go. So if you can bear with me, bear the rubbish camera and the rubbish space and the mess. It'll all get tidied, I promise. Oh, what a mess. I'm going to start small, do some small projects. I'm not good enough to be like Bob, I like to make stuff, or someone like that where they do tutorials. I'm really not that good. But you guys can learn along with me. I can learn how to do this YouTube thing, some of the videos, try and learn how to edit videos. Enjoy offering up my failures and successes onto the internet for you guys to judge and comment on. It's all quite nerve-wracking. I've never done anything like this before in my whole life. So hopefully, if you bear with me, it might get good or it might not. At the end of the day, I'm going to put everything on there, start showing what I'm about, what I do, and get my voice out there. Fingers crossed you like it, like my stuff, enjoy what I'm doing. I really should say all those YouTuber things, shouldn't I? The whole like and subscribe thing. They've got nobody subscribing to me yet, so what does it matter? So okay, this is my first video. Insert catchy YouTuber outro here.